stage is all yours.
Thank you so much for having me here. Is the media having a very good time? Yes, we are. We are very excited to know about your thoughts on the new mango flavor, which is specially for India. But before that, we are going to deep dive into a discussion on a very, very important topic, that is gut health. Gut is one of the most neglected organs in India, but after COVID-19 and during COVID-19 also, the gut took center stage. So we are honored, thrilled and privileged to have you with us, Sanya. And before I begin, big congratulations for your outstanding performances, Dangal, Badhai Ho, Sam Bahadur, and of course now Mrs., which is finding its way to the Australian premiere in the Indian Film Festivals in Melbourne in August 24. So big round of applause for that. So we are really honored. You do India proud. So we have spoken, and my first question is to you. Simply put, life is not as simple as it was, say, 10 years back, or even 15 or 20 years back. Today is fast-paced, we have erratic work schedules, we have erratic sleep cycles, poor nutrition, sedentary lifestyle, lack of sleep, we have pollution and immense stress. And all of this has actually taken toll on the gut. The gut is very negatively impacted. During COVID, we also recognized the importance of the gut because, there was a lot of buzzword around immunity. And we realized that one way of boosting your immunity was also by keeping your gut healthy, especially because 70% of the body's immune system is located in the gut. So what are your measures to keep the gut healthy, Sanya?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. And thank you, Yakul. I'm really looking forward to our collaboration. I love the brand and I use the product since I was a kid. A few things that I do to keep my gut healthy and my health healthy is I eat a lot of vegetables. I eat a lot of fruits. I have a very active lifestyle. I work out. I play tennis. So I'm quite active that way, and I eat a lot of healthy food, like a lot of home cooked food. Okay, I've lost the train of thoughts. Yeah, a lot of balance in my diet, and sleep is crucial for me. So the days when I don't sleep properly, whether it's because of a shoot or if I'm traveling, I can see a direct impact on my gut. Like those are the days when I feel like, okay, I can feel it, my gut isn't that happy today. But I'm so glad that a lot of people are talking about how important gut health is, because everything is linked to our gut. Not only our physical health, but also our mental health. The days when I'm not feeling top notch, I know there's something going on in my gut. If I'm now nervous, again, I can feel it in my gut. The days when I'm okay, I have a gut feeling that this is going to be good. So you can see, we say it often we have gut feeling, but it's a sign itself that everything is linked to a happy gut.
That's nice. So that's the brain talking to the gut.
Right.
Coming to your Manasan, in India, it's always been about the heart, liver, kidney, diabetes, cancer. And the gut, which is central to all of this, has been highly neglected. How do you think in the last 17 years, the Indian consumer has taken to gut health?
Okay, recently the awareness of the gut has been growing, and also the people are recognizing that the benefits of the probiotics and the gut is that improve digestion, build immunity. Those are people thinking it's very important in the daily life.
So gut health is becoming quite important even in India today. So now when we talk about the gut is incomplete without what we know now, what we call as bacteria. Well, bacteria was believed to be harmful, cause disease, but today we know that we have 100 trillion bacteria in the gut. They weigh almost 2 kilograms, and we have the good, the bad and the ugly. It is the good bacteria in the gut which are probiotic, And they are the ones which help in digestion of food to break it into smaller particles for better absorption of nutrients. These bacteria also play a very important role in building your immunity. They can actually influence insulin resistance and metabolic disorders, and now we know that they are linked to mental health. So how were you introduced to the concept of probiotics, and have you been including probiotics as a part of your diet?
Yes, since childhood I've been having Yakult, the original one, and now sometimes I have the light, which is the blue Yakult bottle. Love the mango one too, because mango is one of my favorite fruits. In fact, as I said, like on really stressful and chaotic shoot schedules, I make sure that my fridge is stocked with Yakult, and especially in my vanity van, because even my team is obsessed with Yakult. We are not kidding. Like, I think I kind of manifested this collaboration with the brand because I was shooting for Jawan. This is 2 years back, and I made a reel with Yakult bottle. That is kind of my morning routine, to have Yakult, and especially on shoots. So we buy that, we stock up our fridge with it, and I've seen a great difference whenever I'm quite mindful about what's going on in my gut now. I wasn't like a few years back. And I was kind of oblivious to, why am I feeling like this? And now I know that a lot of things is linked with how and what you're feeding, and how it manifests into like good health or bad mood swings or good feelings. I think it's all interlinked.
To the gut.
Yeah.
So since when have you been consuming Yakult?
Since I was a kid.
Yeah.
In school I used to have Yakult. As I said, I have switched to the Yakult Light, which has less sugar, and I'll be incorporating the mango one too, because it's one of my favorites. Yeah, and I also have achar. It has a lot of probiotics in it. So anything that like is really good for the gut, I make sure that I incorporate in my lunch or my dinner and my meals.
So fermented foods and then probiotics.
Yes.
Okay, great. So nice to know that you've been introduced to Yakult, I think, forever.
And also I've lived in Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've lived in Japan for almost 2 years. My father used to work there, so I've spent a really good chunk of my childhood in Japan. And that is one of the reasons I was introduced to Yakult. And
Lovely.
there's also a product that you only get in Thailand, which is a big bottle of Yakult. Like, we don't get that in India. We only have the tiny ones. But I also, whenever I travel, I make sure that I buy the big bottle of
Yakult.
Because I don't, I end up having like more than 2.
You can actually.
Yes, that's it, right.
So Manu-san, what was the idea? Of course, we have Yakult Light, and now Yakult Mango flavor. But what was the real objective of introducing a flavor, to the probiotic?
Yes, actually, that I strongly believe that the benefits of the things, the efficacy and the benefits of the probiotics, and we like to have opportunity to consume Yakult, taking the lactobacillus casei shroud as many as people. So the mango flavor is one of the very good option to expand this great product to the more people in India.
I think maybe because also we wanted to become a part of the daily diet.
Yes.
And a nice mango flavor, tangy mango flavor would just do justice to that.
Also with vitamin D and vitamin E.
Yes, in Yakult Light. It also has lesser sugar.
Right.
So it has all its benefits along with vitamin D and vitamin E. So we know now that the gut, during COVID we heard of the gut-lung axis, we heard about the gut-liver axis, we hear about the gut-skin axis. So the gut is basically controlling...
Gut-skin, yes, for sure.
Yes, the gut-skin. It's beautiful inside out. That's what. So what about the gut-brain axis? There's a lot of talk about the gut-brain axis. Have you heard about that?
I'm not an expert, but I can feel it when my gut isn't feeling that great.
Butterflies in your stomach,
Yes.
and that is when your brain is talking to the gut. But this is not a joke. Actually, there is something called the gut-brain axis. So the gut and the brain are linked through what is known as the vagus nerve. It is the longest nerve of the human body.
Right.
So the health of the brain decides the health of the gut and vice versa. And like we have neurotransmitters in the brain, we also have neurotransmitters which are produced by the probiotic bacteria in the gut. So look at your serotonin, which is your happy hormone, or GABA, which controls fear and anxiety. All of these are produced by the probiotic bacteria in the gut. And then they transmit through the nerve to the brain and cause peace, happiness, or anxiety and depression. So there is something called the gut-brain connection.
Right.
Yeah. Do you feel it?
Yeah, often.
Yeah.
So, Yakult for the good ecosystem.
For the good ecosystem. And Yakult has a lot of scientific data, more than 100 human studies across the globe in different populations and India, where we know that Yakult helps to improve digestion, build immunity. But there was a study which was done in Japan on medical students, which tells us that consumption of Yakult can actually reduce stress. So Manu-san, would you like to throw light on that?
Yes, actually that medical student, which before the examination of the things that actually that lots of stress, that is not the causes diarrhea, constipation, that things, and daily intake of Yakult for 8 weeks, and that reduce their stress and regulate the hormones.
Yeah, so we have a hormone known as cortisol, which is a stress hormone. And this study, which was done in Tokushima University, showed that consumption of Yakult for 8 weeks before the medical examination or before a shoot actually reduces the levels of stress and cortisol. So that was one.
I totally agree with it.
Yeah.
Like on my stressful days, I have seen that incorporating Yakult and feeding my gut with like healthy fibers and
fruits and vegetables.
It really helps.
Yeah.
It really helps me reduce stress and feel much more relaxed.
Yes.
Now that you have also spoken about vagus nerve, and you feel more relaxed when everything is running smooth down there.
In the gut.
Ninja-san, I'm very stressful.
Right now?
Yes.
There are butterflies in our stomach.
Yeah, you should have some mango Yakult.
I'm sitting next to the beautiful Hollywood star and also in front of lots of media people. I'm so
very nervous.
stressful. I want to drink
Yakult mango for you, Manasan.
I actually want to run away from this situation.
No, we don't want to run away, Sanya, do we?
Me too.
No.
I had my 2 bottles of Yakult this morning. I'm relaxed.
Yeah. So now what are your thoughts on the Yakult mango flavor?
I love mango.
Love? Yeah.
I love fruits in general. I hope you will come up with like new flavors in future. But I love it, and I love that it's not that sweet. It's the right amount of sweetness. And I'm really looking forward to incorporate this and maybe like switch it with my other light blue one that I usually have.
Yeah. So probiotics, I'm not talking about Yakult, but generally probiotics need to be consumed as a part of the daily diet.
Right.
Simply because these bacteria, they actually get passed out with your stool.
Right.
So what they do for you, they help to support your digestive system, make it stronger. So whatever food you're eating, despite what nutrition you are getting into you, it has little or no meaning if your gut is unhealthy. So probiotics just help to digest your food better, help to absorb your nutrients, and ensure that you get all the energy that you need for a hectic day at work.
So should you have Yakult empty stomach or with a meal? Like
So
this is something that
Yakult basically can be consumed anytime during the day, but most people have it after breakfast simply because they remember to have that bottle of Yakult. So I know.
And it's so convenient to carry
Yes,
this small
it's just
one.
a small bottle, and so because probiotics need to be incorporated as a part of your daily diet, we ensured that the bottle of Yakult was just 65 ml, so that it doesn't interfere with your meals. You can have it any time during the day, and you
Though
take
I
it.
wouldn't mind the big bottle for India.
You want So.
But with the product in
With
it.
the product.
It's empty.
Any interesting story that since you started Yakult in school? Wow. Any interesting story?
Jawan set.
From
And
the
they I
Jawans.
kind of also became one of the Yakult dealers on my set for all my co-actors because our fridge used to be stocked with Yakult. Yeah. Kitesh, Natasha, where are they now? I can't spot them anymore. Oh, they're there. We
We all have a bottle of Yakult
every day on set, and it was kind of a hectic set for us. I was traveling a lot during that time, and we were shooting in Chennai, and we used to shoot for like 14-15 hours a day. And some days I used to be in another city, come back to Chennai and shoot for this film. It was a very stressful time, but I made sure that I was taking good care of my gut, and I was having Yakult almost every day. And also I saw a huge difference in my skin.
Yeah. We can see that. You
Yeah,
are
I
such
can
a
see
glowing
that too on you know.
We
On
can
all of us. Like our skin is like quite good. All three of us have like really good skin and
reflecting
hair.
our inner health.
Yeah. So that really reflected, and yeah, I used to like supply Yakult on set to all my other co-actors as well, and my team.
Yeah, and I think the stress today in India, given our lifestyle and the incidence of non-communicable diseases, the stress is eating right, eating healthy.
And I didn't know about this study that was done in Japan, but I totally agree with it now because I felt a huge difference. I think it used to really calm me down. That kind of became my morning ritual to have Yakult, but it could be one of the reasons I felt relaxed on set and during that time when I was shooting constantly.
And also the fact that you are so conscious about what you put into your...
Right.
It's very important actually. We tend to ignore all of that. And then the telltale signs are when we are unwell, we have indigestion, we have acidity, and then we realize it all goes to what we've been having and then what we have kind of messed up. Thank you.